Today I would like to show you guys this foldable lamp. I got it for review. This is really cool light. You can do really cool stuff with this. It has really nice features. You can easily fold all these different for light. You can easily rotate the light position as well. You can see right now it is directly pointing towards the camera. Right now you can go all the way towards the wall, just like that. You can point up, so you have different options. It can easily fold. So let's say you want to do different combinations like this. You have options to do so. You can just, for example, do different crazy stuff easily. You can do just like this, and you have the remote control and you have an application as well. From the application you have way many options to choose and play with around. And over here on the remote control in the middle you have mode button. You will press this and it will just do different things. It will go through different light. Right now this is on the smooth transitioning. It will go through all the lights and you can continue press and you will see different things. Like now it's like rainbow color. You can do different things just like this. You can see it has different style. And right now this is a little faster. It will just kind of flash, and you can see it does different things. And let's say you want to have a bright light, you just press the button here. It will just activate the full light and it gives pretty good amount of light. And if you think that is too much light, you can always turn this and away from you or whatever. Let's say you want to just put it on the wall, you can do individually all of them. Like maybe you want to put two on the wall, two in the room, like on the corner on the other side. You have flexibility. This gives really good options. So as you can see, you can just change just one side or keep like that. Whatever the combination you would like to go for it, you can do. And it has really cool feature like music. So if you press this, it will react to sound. So right now you can see it is on the sound. As it just hear noise, you can see it will just continue changing, and it has different options. Right now it's on different option. You can see it will just go do this thing, and if you keep doing that, you can see it will just go through different colors. So it looks really cool, really nice, fun thing. My kids love playing with this. And over here another mode, you can see it's like broken light effect and different combinations again. Like as you have loud sound, it will just change to different stuff. So it can just go from top to bottom to this crazy stuff. So you got the idea. And once you press the middle button, you will see that it changes different mode, and then you can continue pressing right to left and it will cycle through different options, different color. And you can easily, right now this is on the top brightness, you can easily go all the way down just like this, almost to nothing. And you can easily go back up. Once you see it is flashing, it means that is the top level. So you have those options. Right now with the camera it's not really visible, but it's like full um, rainbow color, all the RGB colors you can see, and they are kind of moving. So you have options to change different things. So uh, and you have full brightness. If you press this, you will see it will just go. You can again dim this, go all the way down, go all the way up, and you can have different solid colors. And once you download the application, it gives you lots of options, lots of different uh, preset configuration, as well as you have option to choose individual color. You can have different rainbow color on one section, you have four different sections. You can change the colors, so that is really cool. And another cool feature, you don't need this base. It comes with a mount. If you want to mount it on a wall, let's say you have some different setups, you want to use it on the wall, you can do that. It comes with clips. You can uh, just mount it on the wall. It comes with screws as well. So overall, this is really cool, high quality light. You can also control it directly from the unit here. If you don't have the remote, or if you don't want to use the application, you can directly come up. So it will just you will be able to cycle through whatever option. Then if you press and hold, it will just turn it off. So overall, really nice, high quality light. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you for watching.